Dr. Susan.
Abahangu omunwara z'omutwe okurwa mu itendekero ery'Ambara University of Science and Technology bakwatanise n'abemagara omuri ntungamo hamwe n'abarikucondoza aha nshonga z'okweyita omuri Uganda n'ensi yoona batongozaho ihuriro ry'okurwanisa okweyita omuri ntungamo n'ihanga ryona.
Talked about this medical review of districts in Western Uganda that identified Ntungamo with the highest rate of suicide attempts, followed by Mbarara.
Aba nibashobora ngu enshonga z'okweyita zizirenize yongera kandi obu abantu na gavumenti barikuziima amisho.
Suicide is a big problem globally, and in our communities here in Uganda it is a big problem that is sometimes underlooked.
Okurugirira aha kucondoza okwakozirwe bamwe omu bahangu omu by'emitwe omu mwaka gw'2020 okusa omu mwaka gw'2022 Ntungamo ekyebembiire omu nshonga egi okwetorora bw'izooba hamwe na Uganda yoona.
Kora okucondoza kurabira omu bitabo na files omu marwariro aho mu Western Uganda bashanga ngu okweyita kakuri kwingi omuri Ntungamo.
Selecting Ntungamo was based on other studies which showed that there were very many cases of suicide in Ntungamo district. There are other districts with cases of suicide, but in Ntungamo district was picked out as a community where a lot of younger people tend to be committing suicide.
Shangirwe ngu baingi abarikweyita ninga abarikugezaho kweyita nabwo amabanja hamwe n'endwara zitarikukira na munonga mu bashaija n'eminyeto.
Konke cyaba kikubaretera kweyita n'amabanja ninga kushanga ngo omuntu ekyayorekyerire tiyakifuna so aba frustrated ayeyita.
However, other stressors which may not necessarily be leading directly to depression. There are other stressors, as you had. Issues to do with lack of money, debt, loans which you cannot service, family conflicts which you feel you cannot handle, and they lead.
Nokwe kuterera abantu boona omuranga okukwatanisa hamwe omu kurwanisa ekikorwa ky'abantu kweyita.
Nokubakunda omuntu yakugira nkonka nimpura amagara gantama ninyenda kweyita ensi yantama omukunde otamugira ngo notushwaza otamucwere manja omuhikirire omugambiro oti mbasa kugenda niwe nkwereke nkomushaho.
Many people in Africa take suicide as a spirit which has possessed you. I think in Uganda the whole term, whatever they call it, but you see it possesses you and then you go to kill yourself.
Bamwe ahari bakuru b'ebyamagara mu district ya Ntungamo bayihayo okurwanisa enshonga egyo eryo neyongera obwahati.
Uburage abo kuba abantu bitu babonabonera oku byanga na munonga za ronzi bingi abantu batakafutekatega munonga yihanaga.
Ndakubatangariza ngo itwenka district tutirahamani mingi kugira abantu tibagumane bayijumbira omukintu cyo kweyita cyo kubanza trainingira abashaho bitu.
Abahangu obwahati nibenda ngu buri muntu ayimukiremu mu kurwanisa ekikorwa ky'abantu kweyita habokuba eki nikyerarikiriza.
2020 conducted a survey, a review of records in 15 primary healthcare facilities and found that there were 130 attempted suicide cases.
Bakuraga gasha kwa Samira Humza muri Ntungamo.
Yes.